How to create a kiss video like this for free using AI, because there are so many AI software which are charging money. So for this, first of all, you need to open google.com, and after that you need to search for Halio.ai in Google. So you can check the spelling HAILUOAI. So you need to open this Helio AI dot video. Open this, and after that you need to log in here with your Gmail ID. You can simply log in. I am already logged in, and after that you need to click on this star button from here, and you need to select an image. There's an option of selecting an image here, so you can upload an image here. Let me select this image only, and herein you need to type anything like kissing each other, and after that you will get 30 points free here. So you just need to tap on this, and it will create a beautiful image for you, and it will create, you can see it is now generating for me. So it is first optimizing in process. You can see it is showing here. So it is very useful app, and it will give you 30 exclusive points for free. So you can create this. You can see 2% is showing now. So it is, you can see 9%. So it will increase the percentage, and you need to wait for a few seconds and let it generate the image for you. So you can see 100% is now complete, and it has created a beautiful video for me now. So visualization is in process. You can see 100% is now done. Now you can simply click on this, and you can see it is now the video is created. You can see there's a, in front of recreate, there's a download button. Just tap on this download, and you can download it again from here. You can simply download it, and this is now created. You can open it, and it is now working fine in my system. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.